Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks back with another video, and today I have a slide unboxing. So these are the Nike Calm slides. These have been out for a while now, like at least a year. And I never picked them up. They look pretty much just like the Yeezy slides. I wanted a pair for the apartment, like just to wear around. And that's exactly what I did here. I just picked up a pair. I saw they had them in stock finally. Last year they went pretty quick. So this year I was able to get a pair. And I went just with the classic like tan. So this is what it looks like out of the box. It says Nike Calm Slide, and it's actually khaki, which is the colorway. So yeah, with these, they're pretty much exactly like a Yeezy slide, I would say, just the Nike logo. I've never had the Yeezy slides. I've heard they're kind of hard, so these feel pretty soft, so I'm kind of excited about that. Like I said, these are just going to be for around the apartment. I have concrete floors, so with the cats and their kitty litter, it kind of is not a fun deal walking barefoot. So these are definitely going to be a lifesaver. I wear Crocs right now, and I'm just kind of over it. I think these are a little bit better looking and just a little bit easier. Yeah, design is super minimal. You get some ridges in here and another Nike logo here on the band going across, and that's pretty much it. Just very simple looking slide. I'm usually an 11.5, 12. Never really an 11, but I went to an 11 on these because I figured if they didn't have half sizes, I would just go down to 11, which is what I usually do in all slides and Crocs, and these fit fine. So if you're 11.5, 12, and you aren't really too sure, most of the time when I get a 12 in slides, they're way too long. So I went 11 and they fit perfect. Anyway, that is going to be it. Just wanted to show you guys an unboxing of my newest pickup. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments, and I'll catch you guys next time.